Coding meetups. What the heck are they? And are they awesome? Let's go through this together. Hey, welcome to another video. I'm Peter, and if it's your first time here and you want to learn coding and you want to stay motivated to reach that goal and change your life, then start now by subscribing and click the little bell icon so you don't miss anything. This week I went to my very first coding meetup and it was awesome. I really didn't know what the heck to expect, but I got there. I wasn't nervous, but I just had no idea what it was going to be. I am a really pretty new coder. I just started about 2 months ago, and so I was kind of worried that I'd look like a total dork, but it really ended up that everybody was very friendly. It was very informative, and dude, I was just like, I felt just right at home right away, and it was fantastic. What it started out as was everybody came in. There was probably, I don't know, 30 people or so. And it was like you could either bring your laptop or not bring your laptop. But for the first about hour and a half, what it was that they had a little kind of beginner JavaScript kind of thing where you could follow along, a little tutorial kind of thing. The guy was funny. He's got a young daughter who's like way into something. I think it's called like Paw Patrol. Is that what it was? But he made this little tutorial in a way that was like revolving around this like 4-year-old's animation kind of TV show thing. And it was really interesting actually and fun. I was able actually to follow along with a lot of it, but even if I wasn't able to, it didn't matter. There were tons of people there that were like brand spanking new. And that's what I want to let you know, is that it's not that you have to be in any way intimidated to go to one of these meetups, because dude, it's about bringing new coders up and up to speed. And so I would just really encourage you to try to find one of these meetups, man, and get out there. And what it did for me is it kind of made coding more real. It's like you meet actual humans that are doing it. I've been watching a ton of YouTube videos, probably like you are right now. And what happens is I'm like in this little cocoon kind of thing in my world where I'm just studying all the time, and you get kind of like, I don't know, not worn down, but you just kind of feel like you're in it alone. But then you get out and you meet people who are a little bit ahead of you, or actually a little bit behind you sometimes, and you feel like, man, it is actually a thing, and it's cool, and you can feel welcome. The place that I went to was called JRS Coding School here in Charleston, South Carolina, where I live. And it was pretty swanky, honestly, and free pizza. You gotta love free pizza. And it was that you could just go and feel comfortable and talk to other people who are, also kind of so into the studying that they also are just kind of looking for other people to be able to just be with and feel like they're not crazy for doing it all by themselves. I found it on this website called Meetup.com. I strongly suggest that you go to Meetup.com. I'm going to leave a link below in the description for this video. Just click on it. All you got to do is just fill in like where you live, and it is just fantastic, man. You're able to kind of get your wiggles out. I sit at my table all day long and just study, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And it's going great, but man, it was just fantastic to be able to get out and meet some people who are doing it. I was able to actually hook up a cool interview for you guys with the owner of the school. So I'm going to be bringing that to you. Also, a couple other interviews will be coming along with people who came in and did like a presentation. And they were just really interesting and really like so into coding that it makes you feel like, dude, I want to do it. It's also an awesome way to just make great contacts in like the web development, software development kind of industry. I'll tell you what, there were like two different companies that were there looking to hire web developers. And I mean, dude, if you were like up and running even to a junior level, you could have easily just talked to them and set up an interview with them. it was not only that, but the actual school that it was at, also, they're like, yeah, you know, we're constantly hiring for junior web developers. It was like, whoa, this is real. This is real now. And you could see it's like you could get a foot in the door somewhere. I mean, that is the main thing. I'm a self-taught developer, and so, you know, it's mainly when I finally get up to speed, it's going to be about getting your foot in the door, get that first job at all costs, and then it will start rolling, and it will be awesome. And so that was just an awesome thing too, man. I'm like, dude, it's real. It's real. Coding is real. It's not just at my table, at home. When I got back home from the meetup, I went to meetup.com, and you're able to fill out this little kind of questionnaire thing, just asking, did you love it? Did you hate it? Blah, blah, blah. And so I just wanted to bring this up on screen real quick so that you can see what I'm talking about, because it references just a bunch of stuff that I felt you should know about. This is just the kind of little questionnaire thingy right here. Did you feel like you were sharing a purpose? I did. Did you feel like you were meeting people? Yes, I felt like I was meeting people, feeling welcome, being energized and supported. That was, I think, probably the main thing that happened to me anyway, was that I was like, man, I was energized and supported. Doing things together. It was that you could get in and do stuff, or you could easily hang out in the back and nobody would be judgmental at all. A ton of people did both. You do not have to worry about it. Learning something new. I did learn quite a bit new. Experiencing growth. I experienced growth. I like that. And seeing new possibilities. Dude, there are endless possibilities. There are endless possibilities. And I know that a lot of people who get into coding, frankly, are a little bit shy and maybe not as, I don't know, social, feel a little bit uncomfortable meeting new people. But I'll tell you this, when I got there, it wasn't like that at all. And I just want you to know that you don't have to feel like that. You don't have to, you can feel like those other people there are feeling the same way that you do. And you just have to kind of make that first step to get out and do it. Even though it's maybe a little bit uncomfortable at first, but I promise you that it's awesome and you will just enjoy it. You will feel like you are not alone. That's what I want you to know more than anything else. You'll feel like you are not alone. Go to a meetup. Go to a meetup, then go to another one. And just understand that there are other people who are going down the same road with you. And it is an awesome road. It is a life-changing road. And I'm just happy to be in it, and I'm happy to be kind of showing you some of it as well, because it really is one of the most awesome things I have found in my life. I love coding. And I hope you do too. And if you liked this video, I'll ask you a favor, just leave a like and leave a comment down below, and I'll tell you why, not for me, but for other people who are trying to start coding as well. What it does is it wakes up the YouTube algorithm to let other people find these videos. I mean, that's what I want to do, is build a community where we can all start kind of sharing info, sharing resources, sharing ideas. And if you leave a like and even a quick comment, then what it does is it like shoots it out into the YouTube universe, and other people are more easy. Other people can find it more easily. So please do that for me. And we will see you in the next video, man. Rock on and keep coding.